Hello everybody, this is Director V and I'd like to welcome you to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to gain followers fast on Instagram. Before I start today's tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post something new on this channel. Okay, I'm going to be using my new Instagram account to show you how I'm gonna gain followers fast on Instagram. Let's go in for it. This is my new Instagram account. You can see I have only 55 followers, only one following with a couple of pictures uploaded. Don't forget to put your bio so that people can know that you are dealing with the right person, not the scam. Okay, first we're gonna do it like this. I'm gonna search for Ariana Grande. She has more followers, like 209 million. Follow her, follow who she follows. Let's follow her. By the way, the strategy is called follow for follow. Follow them.
I promise not to hurt you, baby. Not to harm you, baby. Not to make you cry.
Don't overdo it because Instagram is gonna block you. You need to limit how you follow them. I think go here. Also follow Davido. Follow him. Also follow who he follows. Automatically their followers gonna see that you follow them, then they will follow you. Let's check our new followers. You see, we were on 55, now we're on 57, meaning we're busy gaining the followers. 58. Let's wait for it. 59. You see, the strategy is working. We were on 55, now we're on 59. I mean, you just have to give it a couple of minutes, so that their followers can see that we follow them too. We want 60. Just keep on refreshing. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and I will see you on another tutorial. Thank you.